This is one of my favorite leather jackets, one of my favorite riding jackets. It's actually my first also. I bought it in 2006. It's super comfortable, nice, soft, worn in, but I do have a rip right on the inside of my elbow, on my right arm. I also like this jacket because this is the one that closest matches the colors of the MT-03. So I'm going to attempt to repair this. I bought this leather patch kit, and it's as simple as cutting some strips, peeling back the adhesive, and sticking them on the spot. It's not a perfect color match, obviously, because the jacket is older, and some of this grime on there is so ground in. I've had it since 2006 that I don't think it's going to come out, but I am going to attempt to clean it a little bit before I stick a patch on here, and let's see how it goes. So I've got some 50% alcohol solution here. It's probably not the healthiest for the leather, but if I use any kind of leather soap, I'm afraid it's going to not allow for the patch to adhere properly. So I'll clean it well, let it dry, and then see how the patch sticks. So I've cut a piece of the patch that covers the area of concern, but I am going to trim the corners further by rounding them off. That way it's harder for that corner to start peeling off. So I'm going to go ahead and round all the corners. I think that'll make it a more robust repair. I also went ahead and removed the elbow pad from inside of the jacket so that I can, once I get the patch on, put this heavy weight on it. It's 10-pound weight to help with adhesion. So this way the leather can lay flatter. This adhesive needs to be strong, that's the key. Make sure that it's centered well. The adhesive does feel pretty strong. Remains to be seen, and it actually does stick pretty well. I'm surprised. That looks pretty good, actually. Looks better than I thought it would. It's a very flexible material, so it does seem like it follows the contours of the jacket well. Except now that's the cleanest part of the jacket. So like I said, I'm going to stick this weight on there and just let it sit till the end of today. But yeah, that seems to have worked better than I thought. And this jacket is the Icon Daytona jacket, I believe. Daytona jacket. I don't know if they still make it, but it's been a great jacket. The zippers have held up since 2006, which is one of the things that often fails. Yeah, we'll see what the results are and how durable it is. I'll report back on it after a few months of riding with the patch on. A link to the brand of patch that I used will be in the description below. They have it in all kinds of colors, but as you saw, it's pretty easy to apply. You clean the surface, you cut it to size, peel the backing off, and then you stick it on. If you find this type of content useful, please consider subscribing and hit that like button to be notified of future content.